artificial intelligence has recently seen considerable use in agriculture, particularly crop farming. Farmers have increased profitability by using AI to improve yields and lower costs. One such instance is the most recent usage of AI in mushroom farming and cultivation, which led to the cultivation of 400 million mushrooms. We'll look at how artificial intelligence is used to grow mushrooms, its advantages, and its potential for the future of agriculture. Imagine a world in which the power of artificial intelligence has revolutionized agriculture. A world where farmers can grow more food using fewer resources, lessening waste production and environmental effect. This vision has come true in the case of mushroom agriculture, where AI has made it possible to cultivate an astounding 400 million mushrooms. Learn how this cutting-edge technology has changed the farming process and investigate how AI in agriculture could help solve some of the most urgent problems confronting our planet. Come along with us on a trip to the cutting edge of innovation, where AI enables a better future for farmers and consumers. The cultivation of mushrooms using artificial intelligence is a multi-step, sophisticated procedure. The choice of the mushroom strain to be cultivated is the first stage. This step is crucial because it affects how well the mushrooms turn out. An AI algorithm was trained using information from prior mushroom harvests to choose the optimal strain for growth. The preparation of the substrate comes after the strain has been chosen. Artificial intelligence is used in a complex, multi-step process to grow mushrooms. The first step is selecting the mushroom strain that will be grown. Due to its impact on how effectively the mushrooms will grow, this stage is essential. Using data from previous mushroom harvests, an AI algorithm was trained to select the best strain to thrive in this situation. The preparation of the substrate follows the selection of the strain. The substrate is injected with mushroom mycelium after being sterilized. The vegetative portion of the mushroom, known as the mycelium, develops in the substrate and eventually gives rise to the fruiting body. In this instance, a specialized machine run by an AI algorithm was used to add the mycelium to the substrate after it had been cultivated in a lab. The mycelium must next be incubated after being introduced to the substrate. This entails preserving the ideal temperature and humidity levels to promote the mycelium's growth. The AI program monitored the temperature and humidity levels, which also made any necessary modifications. The mycelium is prepared for the fruiting stage once it has completely colonized the substrate. The mushroom growth and formation start here. In this instance, the AI system also managed the fruiting stage, keeping an eye on the temperature, humidity, and light levels to ensure the ideal mushroom growth circumstances. The mushrooms are collected when they ripen and packed for sale. Based on elements like mushroom size and maturity, the AI algorithm was utilized to choose the best time for harvesting. The AI system was also used to automate the packing procedure, ensuring that the mushrooms were cared for and wrapped correctly. The employment of AI in mushroom growth has several advantages. The main advantage is improved effectiveness. Farmers can produce more mushrooms with less labor and resources by automating the cultivating process. As a result, higher yields and reduced costs translate into greater earnings. Improved quality control is a further advantage of utilizing AI in mushroom farming. The AI program may monitor and modify the growing environment to guarantee that the mushrooms are of the highest quality and without flaws. As a result, fewer mushrooms are thrown out because of quality difficulties, increasing customer satisfaction and lowering waste. AI can help the environment when used in mushroom farming. Farmers can utilize fewer resources, such as water and energy, by improving the growing environment. This lessens the adverse effects of mushroom farming on the environment and supports preserving natural resources. The application of AI in agriculture is anticipated to increase in the following years. Farmers will be able to gain from ever more sophisticated applications as AI technology advances and becomes more widely available. For instance, AI algorithms might be employed to forecast crop yields based on weather patterns and other environmental variables. Farmers could decide when to grow and harvest crops with more excellent knowledge, increasing profits and lowering expenses. AI might be used to track the condition of the soil and spot potential plant diseases early on. Farmers might prevent crop losses and lessen the demand for pesticides and other chemicals by spotting issues before they get out of hand. In addition to these uses, supply chains and distribution networks could benefit from using AI to increase efficiency. AI algorithms could aid in the optimization of logistics and the reduction of waste by analyzing data on customer demand and transportation routes. While AI in agriculture has numerous advantages, there may also be disadvantages. One worry is that the application of AI can result in employment losses in the agricultural industry. Some workers may lose their jobs when automation lessens the necessity for manual labor. AI is really going to change the world. Another issue is the possibility that AI would worsen existing disparities in the agricultural industry. Smaller farmers might be disadvantaged if only large-scale farms can afford to invest in AI technology. The divide between large and small-scale farmers may expand, which could have detrimental social and economic effects. Overall, the use of AI in mushroom farming is a promising breakthrough with numerous advantages for farmers and consumers. AI has the potential to change the agriculture industry in the future by enhancing productivity, quality assurance, and environmental sustainability. However, it will be crucial to ensure that the whole sector benefits from AI equally and that any possible downsides are controlled appropriately. Investing in worker support initiatives like training programs might help ease worries about how AI affects the agricultural industry negatively. This might include initiatives that assist farmers in integrating AI technology into their operations to benefit workers and programs that help workers transition to different careers or industries. Another strategy is to encourage the creation of AI platforms and technologies open to small-scale farmers and other disadvantaged groups. Partnerships between AI developers and businesses that support small-scale farmers, including cooperatives or non-governmental organizations, may be necessary. This would be really helpful for small-scale farmers, right? Though it will be crucial to address concerns over data ownership and control to guarantee that the benefits of AI are distributed relatively. AI will produce a lot of data on crop yields, weather patterns, and other aspects that influence agricultural production as it becomes more prevalent in agriculture. It will be crucial to ensure that all farmers and agricultural stakeholders have access to this data rather than just giant agribusinesses controlling it. It will be critical to continue to innovate and improve AI applications in agriculture in addition to tackling these issues. Collaboration between researchers, farmers, and other stakeholders, and continual research and development will be necessary for this. We can ensure that the advantages of AI in agriculture are realized in a way that is sustainable, egalitarian, and advantageous to everybody by cooperating to build new AI tools and platforms. The use of AI in mushroom farming is always a great innovation that highlights the promise of AI in agriculture more generally. Farmers may produce more mushrooms with less labor and resources by automating and enhancing the growing process. This also improves quality control and lessens the impact on the environment. Looking ahead, it is anticipated that the use of AI in agriculture will keep expanding, with applications spanning from crop production prediction to soil health monitoring and supply chain optimization. But these issues must be addressed to address the problems like employment displacement, inequality, and data ownership, as well as to keep developing and improving AI applications for agriculture. We can endeavor to ensure that AI's advantages in agriculture are realized in a way that is sustainable, equitable, and helpful to everyone if we keep these factors in mind. The application of AI to plant breeding is another field with potential growth. AI could assist in developing new crop types that are more hardy, fruitful, and nutritious by analyzing genetic data to determine the most desirable traits for particular crops. This might aid in addressing some of the issues with population expansion, soil degradation, and climate change that affect global food security. Employing robotic devices to carry out tasks like planting, harvesting, and trimming is another potential application of AI in agriculture. This might save labor costs, boost productivity, and decrease the demand for hazardous chemicals and other inputs. AI has the potential to enhance agricultural practices' sustainability more generally. AI could support the development of strategies for lowering environmental effects while maintaining or boosting yields by analyzing data on environmental aspects like water usage, soil erosion, and greenhouse gas emissions. This is how AI helped farmers grow 400 million mushrooms in less time.